Hi everyone, today we're going to have a look at a solution to this coding problem. As you can see, the problem is presented as a flowchart, and we're going to see if we can translate this flowchart into a Python program. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is ask for, and I suppose get, the age of the user. So we know we want to get a number, so let's use the int function. We're also going to get some data from the keyboard, so we're going to use the input function, and we just give the user a message so they know what to do. How old are you? Let's leave a space after that, and we'll close our input and int functions. Okay, so we're going to get the age. Now here we come to a selection statement. If the age is greater than 18, we're going to go this way. We're going to go down this path. Okay, so if age is greater than 18, we're going to do lots of stuff here. We're going down this path into this area. So let's just put a comment. Do lots of stuff. Else, so this if statement has a partner, this else partner. This is this path here. We're going to display a message. So if the age is not greater than 18, what do we do? Let's see if we can find out. If the age is not greater than 18, you are not old enough is displayed. So that's going to go here. You are not old enough. Okay. So if age is greater than 18, we're going to go this way. Else, this is a partnership, look. We're going to print a message. Notice that this print message is inside this else statement. Do you see the indenting here? Okay, so this print statement is inside this else statement, and at the moment, this comment is inside the if statement. So let's code the comment. What do we do first? First, we're going to ask for gender. So let's just make some comments here. So let's do that here. Gender equals input. What is your gender? Now, of course, we don't need to convert that to be an integer because gender is text. Then we come to a selection statement again. Wow! Here we go. If this variable, which I've called gender, stores data that is the same as female, if gender is female, we're going to go this way. And we're going to display a message. Let's just put that in a comment for now. Else, we're going to go this way. Whoops, I've just lost my code. Else, we're going to go this way. So this if has a partner, which is an else. They need to be at the same indent level. So go backspace, and now they're at the same level. We can do the else. Yes, we have a partnership. If gender is female, we're going to do something. Else, what are we going to do? We're going to display a different message. So let's just put a note, and then we'll figure out what messages we need to display. So if gender is the same as female, let's see if we can figure this out. If the applicant is female, a message, your application will be processed tomorrow, is displayed. So that's if the gender is female, print your application will be processed tomorrow. So that's the if statement. If gender is female, we display the message. Else, This is this one. Else, what do? Well, we display a message, but which message? Else a message, your application will be processed next week. So let's put that in. Print, your application will be processed next week. We'll finish that with a full stop. Brilliant. So I think we have just solved the problem. At the very end of my program, I'm just going to put a print statement here, which just says end of program. Notice this code is not inside the if or the else blocks. We're out of that now. This is the end of the program. So let's run this and see if it works. Okay, so we're here. If age, get the age, how old are you? So we're at this line of code. I'm going to type in 19. Let's see what should happen. If age is greater than 18, yes, that's true. We're going to ask for the gender. So let's do that. Ooh, good. What is your gender? That's here. I'm going to type in female. If gender is female, your application will be processed tomorrow. So let's do that. Yes, it worked. If age is greater than 18, we're going to do all this stuff. We're not going to do this else. That doesn't happen because this is true. So we don't do that. So this is true. We get the gender. This is true. So we don't do the else. We don't do that. No. We just do this one. If we print your application is processed tomorrow, and that's the end of it. Then we jump down to end of program. Now let's do another test. How old are you? This time I'm going to type 16. If age is greater than 18, no, it's not. So we jump down to this else. And we're going to print you are not old enough and then end of program. So let's see if that works. You are not old enough, end of program. Perfect. Now let's do another test. We're going to do 18 again. It has to be greater than 18, so I want to test that. Let's do 21. If age is greater than 18, that's true. We're going to ask for the gender. What is your gender? So here we are. Now I'm going to enter male. Male. If gender is the same as female, no, not this time, because I'm going to enter male. So we're going to jump to the else, and we're going to print your application will be processed next week. Let's see if that works. Yes, this is a solution to this flowchart.